Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I will show you how to transfer pictures from Android quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. First grab your Android phone and open the File Manager app from the Apps drawer. This is the place where all files and folders on your phone are organized. Inside the file manager, go to the images or pictures folder where most of your photos are automatically saved by your camera and other apps. Step 2. From the folder menu, you will now see all of the photos stored on your phone. Simply tap and hold on a photo to select it, and if you want to transfer multiple pictures, you can continue selecting more images from the list. Step 3. After selecting the photos, look for the share icon usually located at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to open the sharing menu. Here you will see different transfer methods such as Quick Share, Google Drive, and email options like Gmail, which allow you to send the pictures to another device or account. Step 4. If you choose the Gmail option, type the receiver's email address in the recipient field, add a subject if you want, and then tap the send button at the top right. Your selected photos will automatically upload and transfer from your Android phone to the email. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.